Hello everyone, welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and today is our recap for Friday the 30th of July 2021, and this is the end of the month of July and our $10,000 as an equity. Starting from next week we'll be changing to 5,000 and the share size will be 1,500. Commission will remain at 3.95. The setting as usual will remain the same. The stop loss will be 3% from our entry and the profit target is 7% from our entry. We had a very challenging trading session actually on Friday, being under pressure on all the indices. So looking into our performance on the 30th, we had 7 winning trades out of 19, and that's in the usual range of 36.8%. Total profit basis of trading all the opportunities is $3,092.10, and that's equivalent to an average gain of $162.74 per trade, assuming that someone is trading the whole 19 opportunities. Let me take you through the daily opportunities with the traders live, with the subscribers. Then we will be talking about the top 5 of the day. Okay, so starting at 9:30, I gave 2 minutes and then I entered with TAOP. TAOP on the daily was starting from the top and then going down. TAOP on the back test is losing. We entered 2 minutes from the entry. So the entry was at 9:30, but we entered around 9:32. That was a losing trade for us with minus 3%. Looking at the entry was okay. Just to analyze the entry and see whether we entered correctly or wrong. It was already crossing the 20 days moving average, so it gave me a kind of push that it is going to continue upwards. Looking at this candle, everything was on the top of the moving averages and the volume weighted moving average, so I thought that it will continue upwards, but unfortunately it changed its direction by the beginning of the market and it went down. So that's a losing 3%. Next is WORX, and at 9:34 in our case we entered, and it was an obviously it was going on the upper direction, so we got our 7% here successfully with no problems at all, despite of the fact that the market was bad since the beginning of the session. Now, if somebody continued with WORX, there was another opportunity here at around 10:15 when it went down, and then it gave you a signal to enter. It was clear that it was testing the moving averages, and this is what had happened here. Next one was AHPI, and AHPI was our champ. We entered with AHPI twice and I captured them here, and also we'll be talking about them here. So the first one was at 9:52. Yeah, and this candle, and we saw that we saw that we missed the first wave, the first 7%, so we entered into the other one when we tested the moving averages. and then we went to easily, we went another 7%, and we got our share here up to 8.15. Then from 10.05 we saw it going down. Then we entered when we were testing at 878, and we went easily to 939 or 940, and that was a very interesting. So this is in brief what had happened during the trading session. So we made our 21 minus 3, which is, we made our 18%, and then we decided just to close the trading session and then watch for any other opportunities. During the trading, I closed the day with around 30%, by a third entry with AHPI, which was very, very nice, and we enjoyed it really, and we enjoyed with the community really the success. Moving quickly on the top 5. The first one was Tkat, and Tkat was perfect. We haven't seen it during the trading. It was at 11:53 when we concluded our opportunities and we took our break, and Tkat was doing great, and it is, by the way, one of our long positions. So that's a perfect 7% rise during the trading session, and it is on its direction for our swing target. So that's 7% in 1 hour, or maybe 40 minutes, equivalent to $1,509. For us on the swing, our target is 30% from the entry, and our entry is at $6.96. So we are still on our track towards the swing goal or target. Next one, AHPI, and we talked about it. On the daily, it has done great movement, and we entered here. We missed the first one, we were busy with the other two, so we entered here, and we entered somewhere, I remember, before the noon time. Then a third one was in the afternoon, where we entered and we got another 7%. So those were really combined 21% from only one trade, which was really perfect. Third one is SNTG, and SNTG, I did not see it, but it made on the daily, it made in one candle 7%, and good entry here also, although it might seem a little bit scary with the low volume, with the absence of volume. So maybe this was not really a good opportunity during the trading. Third one is ENSC, and it seems that it's obviously it halted also here, so somebody entered here and then he got our more than 7% after resuming the trading here. So that was a good entry associated with volume. Last one for the week, for the day, and for the month as well is APRN and on the daily it was testing the 50 days moving average and breaking the 20 days moving average. And here at 10:30 it was doing perfect movement really. So that's a perfect entry. Could be a late one, but a fruitful one. So perfect. We talked about WORX already, and we shared our results as well. So I hope that you made profit with us during the week, and on Friday's session, see you on the monthly update, and we'll be talking about the preparation for the coming month.